Have you ever set up an IoT or RFID project only to find your data stream is completely buried under background interference? It is a common frustration for anyone working in the 868 MHz band, and often, the hardware you are using is just picking up too much unwanted noise. The goal is usually to isolate a specific window of activity. Today, we are looking at an 868 MHz bandpass filter designed specifically to help clean up those signals by focusing on a 2 MHz bandwidth. It is a simple piece of kit, but it serves a very specific, technical purpose. At the heart of this device is a SAW, or surface acoustic wave, filter. These are standard in professional measurement and analysis instruments because they are excellent at stripping away noise outside of your target frequency. When choosing one, the quality of this component is your most important consideration. When you inspect these units, look closely at the SMA interface. A high-quality connector should feel secure and well soldered to the board. If the connection is flimsy, it can actually introduce more signal loss, which defeats the entire purpose of adding a filter to your line. You might wonder why a 2 MHz bandwidth is significant. In many EU IoT applications, you only need to capture a very specific slice of the spectrum. By narrowing the focus to 2 MHz, you are effectively ignoring the noise from other devices nearby, which can drastically improve your reception reliability. This type of filter is ideal for developers or hobbyists who are prototyping custom receivers. If you are building a gateway or an RFID reader and finding that your signal-to-noise ratio is consistently poor, inserting a dedicated bandpass filter like this could be a practical solution. Before you commit to a purchase, check your project specs. Is 868 MHz the correct frequency for your region and hardware? Make sure your system can accommodate an SMA connection and that the insertion loss provided by the manufacturer meets your system's sensitivity requirements. With 47 orders and a decent community rating, this component is currently a popular option for those needing a quick fix for their measurement gear. It is priced around $14, which reflects a fair discount from its original retail price. Remember, the cheapest part is not always the best, but for many standard projects, these modules provide exactly the utility needed. Always weigh the cost against your actual performance requirements. If you need extreme precision, be prepared to do extra testing once the unit arrives. If you are interested in testing this for your own setup, check the product details and compare the latest pricing for yourself. Always ensure the specs align with your specific hardware before clicking that order button. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps with your next project.